Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can enable virtualization on Gigabyte Motherboard. So that's been said, let's get started. Before discussing how we can enable virtualization settings on Gigabyte Motherboard, let me tell you why you need to enable virtualization. If you want to create a virtual machine or you want to install multiple operating systems on a single host using VirtualBox, then you have to enable virtualization setting on your BIOS. So I'm using a Gigabyte motherboard, so I'm going to be showing you how you can enable virtualization settings on Gigabyte motherboard. For that, simply click on Start button and here click on Settings. Here click on System and look for Recovery option. So here we have Recovery option, simply click on this option and here we have Advanced Setup. Here click on Restart. And it will restart your computer and open you with the recovery option. Here click on Troubleshoot. Here you will find two options. Simply click on Advanced option and click on UEFI firmware settings and click on Restart to open Gigabyte motherboard BIOS settings. So here you can see here we have our Gigabyte motherboard BIOS setting. Here click on MIT and after that click on Advanced frequency setting option. And here you will find Advanced CPU settings and look for SVM mode and enable the virtualization settings. After that, click on Save and Exit option and confirm your changes. And after that, it will restart your computer. So we had successfully enabled virtualization settings on our Gigabyte motherboard. Now to verify, simply right click on Start button and here open Task Manager. And here click on Performance tab and here simply click on CPU option and look for virtualization option. As you can see here, virtualization is enabled. So that's it. This is how you can enable virtualization settings on Gigabyte motherboard. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.